What's going on YouTube? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be cutting up my little brother. It happened to be his birthday. So his 11th birthday, January 2nd, a day after New Year's. So yeah, it was pretty cool. We're going to be doing a bald fade on him with a graphic. That's going to be interesting. Y'all going to see me do one of my first graphics on YouTube because I never really posted a graphic here before. I did a few YouTube shorts and things like that, but nothing like a full video. So let's get into the cut. I'm making my first guideline with my rose gold FX trimmers. These are probably the best trimmers to bald out with in the game. They're the most strongest. And then the rose gold ones, they also have the deep tooth blade. So I feel like that's the best blade for balding out. Don't use anything else. Now we have our lever open using our Gamma Plus clippers. These are magnetic. These have a magnetic motor, one of the strongest clippers in the game right now. I feel like they're stronger than the cordless wall seniors. I have both pairs. I started off with the wall, and I feel like the magnetic motor is definitely stronger. Now we're moving on to the backside. Usually on the backside, it's a lot more denser, and then they have their occipital bone, which obstructs with the fade a lot of the times. So be aware of that and be careful. To our one guard, always start open. I have the lever open, and I'm using my comb to feed in the hair into the clipper. Now I'm starting to use my half guard, lever open. I'm using this guard to bridge the gap between my no guard open and my one guard open. to feed the hair into the clipper, making sure we have a nice even silhouette. Now we're using our 1.5 guard open, bridging the gap between our 1 open and our 2 open. Now we're moving on to our 3 open. Okay, this is definitely one of my favorite parts in the haircut. This used to be my least favorite part because I was the most inexperienced with it, but now I love clipper over comb. So as you can see right now, I'm going horizontally. Well, now I'm going vertically, but I was going horizontally with the clipper. That's usually when I'm debulking. When I'm going vertically with the clipper, that's when I'm blending in. So pay attention to that. calic area, you want to be very careful when you're doing clipper of comb in this area. Take your time, don't rush, pay attention to the dark spots, and definitely don't cut in too deeply. If anything, leave hair. Okay, so now we're getting into the lineup part. This is his C cup. I usually keep it very, very natural. I don't like to push anything back. Just take out the hairs that are unneeded, clean it up, make it sharp. Okay, now we're getting into the design. It's been a minute since I did a design, but since it's his birthday, he wanted one, so I'm gonna give him one. I'm starting off with an arch. This is definitely a freestyle. I'm not copying any design in no book, no Google, no nothing. I'm just going off based on my brain. I started off with a curve, then I added another curve, and then another curve, then another curve. You know how it goes. I like to spray water rather than using shave gel. I don't know, it's just better for designs for me. The shave gel is just too much sometimes. Getting into these small little lines and then there's a lot of gel and it's just overwhelming. YouTube. This is the cut. Hope you guys like it. Shout out to my little bro in the comments. It's his 11th birthday. I'm out.